Hello, and welcome to the LE Tech channel. Are you ready to upgrade your life with some cool devices? In this video, we'll show you useful gadgets that will make your life easier. Stay until the end of this video if you don't want to miss all the interesting gadgets that would help you in your everyday life. How may a standard lawn rake be improved? This model's maker made the decision to make it customizable. This 3-in-1 multifunctional garden rake by the British company UK Planet Tools can complete multiple chores simultaneously and is simple to assemble and dismantle. The click-on system allows you to add 2 additional working surfaces to the primary one for a wider grip. This qualifies the rake for both extensive and precise sweeping. Each attachment adds 28 centimeters to the original width of 17 centimeters. The rake length is also adjustable from 127 to 177 centimeters. The rubberized foam handle grip on this 3-in-1 rake helps you keep a firm grip while cushioning your hand so that you won't suffer from painful blisters while gardening. Need a soil tiller? The Gardenboy Plus is the best tool for treating edges, scarifying, crumbling, loosening, and weeding thanks to its specifically hardened steel prongs. The all-arounder regularly loosens the soil, which inhibits the growth of weeds while completely preparing the soil for sowing, all while encouraging the growth of necessary microorganisms. With a 220-volt motor, 400 watts of power, and an 8 centimeters operating depth, the Gardenboy Plus is powerful and efficient enough. Its use is extremely comfortable due to its ergonomic handle grip and movable second handle that can be adjusted to the user's body height. With this tool, undesired overlap at bed and lawn edges is quickly removed. You are probably well aware of how much work maintaining a yard can be if you have one. Additionally, whether you have the motivation to work hard or not, water limitations can make it impossible for you to get that chunk of green. Growver is a robot that moves around your yard watering your grass while using far less water than other sprinklers on the market. The device basically attaches to a regular garden hose and uses a perimeter wire and cable sensor technologies to navigate around the yard. But the gadget's intelligence doesn't end there. Growver can determine which areas of your lawn are drier than others by using its water sensors, giving more water to certain areas while reducing its use in others where it is unnecessary. Real grass can be replaced with artificial grass, which requires little maintenance. However, fungus growth and weeds are also problems with artificial grass. The Topkeeper Pro is a moss removal tool made specifically for maintaining artificial grass. The easy-to-assemble brush cutter or strimmer head is compatible with the majority of reliable brands. To fit the height of the synthetic grass being cleaned, the product's tines can be adjusted. The artificial grass is protected from harm by the pin's slight bending while using the device. The head on a brush cutter that is simple to mount can help you save a lot of time. This garden tool's body is made of aluminum, and it weighs roughly 2.5 kilograms. As a result, it is robust and rust-resistant. If you are liking this video, don't forget to leave your like down there and subscribe below for future videos. You may be interested in this product if your property includes seed beds in addition to a lovely lawn because it lets you work on 12 rows simultaneously. The multi-row market garden seeder is designed for a variety of market gardening operations. A disc with holes receives the seed from a central spinning axle and releases each seed one at a time. The sowing density can be changed using different pinion gears and is proportional to the forward speed of the seeder. This seeder is simple to operate and quick to adjust. Generally speaking, all base plates can have their sowing depth changed. By adjusting the Pierce discs, you can plant anywhere between 1 and 12 rows with a width of 75 centimeters. What a time saver when the vacuum cleaner cleans the court by itself! Why not tweak this technique to make it work with a garden hose? Straight out of the box, the Fiskars Whaterwheel XL with 20 meters of garden hose is ready to use. For a simple setup, every component is there and already installed. You can put the reel wherever you like in the garden. Because of the 360 degrees rotating range, you can easily water all edges and corners. The reel spraying distance is also double that of conventional wall-mounted reels. All necessary tools, like connections and mouthpieces, are included with this automatic hose reel. They can effortlessly be kept in a special compartment. With this wonderful gardening tool, storage is now convenient and portable. The developer of this adapter claims that it is the quickest way to brush debris out of difficult hiding places. The Echo Pro paddle allows you to rapidly clear lawns without causing any damage and is made to work with other Echo products. The tool weighs more than 4 kilograms and measures 55.5 centimeters in width. This particular model will be appealing to both private purchasers and various cleaning and landscaping services, since it is capable of removing leaves, pine needles, mulch, acorns, and even gravel with ease. This is made possible by the model's 10 rubber fins. Cleaning and tidying up your lawn has never been easier. Without getting your hands dirty, you can easily dig holes in sand, clay, and soft soil using the Ryobi ODT1800. It works well for planting trees and bushes, as well as simple fencing jobs like putting up a clothesline or mailbox. The unit won't jerk if it runs into rocks or roots thanks to electronic anti-kickback safety. You have more possibilities for operating the digging tool thanks to the different modes of forward, reverse, and kickback off. However, it's better to keep using the kickback protection. On a 5.0 ampere-hours battery, this incredible machine can dig holes up to 30 by 150 millimeters. Your garden shed or garage should have one. Even in difficult-to-reach places, the Ryobi 18-volt OLP1832B is ideal for effortlessly cutting small branches. At the touch of a button, the sleek body's minimal design and light weight enable pruning in even the tightest spaces. Using a high-torque engine and premium bypass blades, 250 nanometers of torque are produced, easily cutting through any branch up to 32 millimeters thick. The built-in branch hook allows you to steady the cutting head on a nearby branch, reducing arm fatigue over prolonged use. The soft grip handles offer comfort during prolonged use. This powerful tool can produce up to 900 cuts on a single charge of a 5.0 ampere-hours battery, which is not supplied. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe below for future videos that would make your life easier.